Let me tell you something. Winners win. Winners find a way, no matter what you can control and what you can't control. You can control your attitude, your work rate, your determination. At the end of the day, this game is all about heart. It's all about what you're willing to put out there today for each other. Okay, you say you have each other's backs. You say you'll do anything for the people around here. Prove it.
Inside the area, backhand effort, deflected in! Juliana Kratz got the touch with 40 seconds left and we're tied.
Put your heart on the line.
The diving play, but the rebound's gonna go through and in, and the championship to Fairfield. And for the third time in 5 years, the Stags are headed to the NCAA tournament.
Fast and furious from the very first minute, first second, first play. Fast and furious. Nobody comes into our house and what? Pushes us around. Our field, our turf, our home.